Welcome guys, welcome to Onlineopedia. In this video, I'll discuss why differentially compound machine start as a shunt machine. So before starting the video, I want to let you know that you can follow me on Unacademy. My Unacademy ID is this, and you can also follow us on Telegram ID. So you can join our Telegram channel for daily quizzes and the important content related to electrical engineering. So this is our Telegram ID. Okay, so let's start it. So first, let's see the classification of DC machine. So if you classify the DC machine, then first of all you can classify it in two types: separately excited and self-excited. Okay, and self-excited you can divide it in three types: series, shunt and compound. Okay, and in case of compound, depending upon the connection, the compound machine is two types: one is long shunt, another is short shunt. Okay, and depending upon the types, you can classify the compound machine in two types, that is cumulative compound and differential compound. So in our today's topic, we'll discuss why differential compound machine always start as a shunt machine, that is preferably start as a shunt machine. Okay, so this is your shunt field winding and this is your series field winding. Okay, now this is your shunt current and this is your series current. This is your dot polarity, or you can say this is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. If the shunt current and series current is entering to the polarity, okay, the shunt current is entering to the polarity, the same way the series current is entering to the polarity. Okay, so in that case the total MMF produced by the machine will be additive in nature. That is, this MMF is due to the shunt field winding and this MMF is due to the series field winding. NSE is your number of turns in series field and NF is your number of turns in shunt field. As both the currents entering to the polarity, then the total MMF produced by them will be additive in nature. Okay, so this type of machine is known as cumulative compound. Okay, so in cumulative compound machine, the MMF or flux produced by shunt field and the series field are additive in nature. That is why it is called cumulative compound. But in case of differentially compound machine, the shunt field and the series field MMF are opposing each other. That is why there is a minus symbol, because the shunt field current is entering to the polarity, but the series field current is going out from the polarity. That is, this is your positive, this is negative, this positive, this negative. Okay, so in case of differential compound machine, the current entering to the shunt field is to the polarity, and for series field it is away from the polarity. That is why the total MMF produced in differential compound machine is subtractive in nature. Okay, that is, the field produced due to field winding or shunt field winding is oppose the field produced due to the series field winding. Okay, that is why the minus symbol. Okay, so the total MMF is subtractive. Okay, you can say MMF or flux. So this is your differential compound motion. So this is your differential compound motor. So the main question is why differential machine start as a shunt machine. So in case of shunt machine, we know that the total MMF produced by the differential compound machine is minus NAC into IAC. This is our total MMF, or you can say from MMF the flux. Okay, F is your MMF. Okay, now during starting Now during starting of a machine, we know that the speed is 0. During starting, the speed is 0. If speed is 0, then EMF is also 0, because the induced EMF or back EMF is equal to P N phi Z by 60A, or you can say E proportional to phi omega. That is your speed. So if speed is 0, then EMF is also 0. So if EMF is 0, then for a motor, we know that the terminal voltage Vt is equal to Eb plus Ia into Ra. If Eb is 0, then Ia will be Vt by Ra. Then Ia will very high because Ea is 0, Eb is 0. So due to this, that means if Ia is high, that means the series field current is also high. If series field current is very high, then this MMF due to the series field winding is high at starting. So at starting, as the back EMF is 0, therefore the starting current is very high. Due to high starting current, then the total field MMF, that is due to NSS ISS minus NSC ISC, then it will increase. Okay, so it will increase. Okay, so due to increase in the MMF of series field winding, the F may less than 0, or you can say F be negative. Okay, so as F become negative at starting, or you can say F is less than 0, so it will cause the motor to start in opposite direction. It will cause the motor to start in opposite direction. Okay, so due to high starting current, the motor may start in opposite direction. Okay, so basically F is low during starting. As the speed increases gradually, then the EMF also developed. Then after some time, it will get in normal condition. But the problem is, if the starting current is high for long period, then it is not good for your armature. That means if the starting current or armature current for starting time is very high, then it is not good for your armature, because it will increase the temperature and it will create hamper on your armature. Okay, so to reduce the problem or to compensate the problem, we create a solution, that is, at starting of differential compound machine, we short circuit the series winding, so that the MMF due to the series winding becomes 0. This part becomes 0 at starting. That is, the machine will start as a shunt machine. When it gains the speed, we switch on the series field winding, then it will act as a differential compound machine. But before it will gaining the speed, we will start as a shunt machine. Okay, so this is the reason that we start a differential compound generator or motor as a shunt generator or motor at starting. Okay, and this is other facts, that speed regulation for differential compound machine is 0. This is important for exam point of view, and this is also important. The differential compound machine is used in welding purpose, because in differential generator is working better in short circuit condition. Differential generator working while in short circuit condition. This is its property. That is, the short circuit current is limited in case of differential compound machine. Short circuit current is limited. In differential compound machine. Okay, so while we welding a metal, it can short circuit the generator terminal. So for the machine to be protected, the short circuited current must be limited. Okay, so when we weld to metal, we need to short circuit this. So whenever we short circuit the terminal, for the machine to be protected, the short circuit current must be limited, as in differential compound DC generator have the property of low short circuit current or limited short circuit current, so we can use it in welding purpose. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Online Video. If you like our video, please share with your friends.